Say hello, Dia. Cool, nice.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show Makar Sankranti special kite craft. And for this craft I'm going to use very minimal materials which you can also easily find out any stationery shop, and you might already have it at your home. I'll quickly tell you all the materials. So this one is 100 GSM white paper, copy paper. It's A4 size, and this is A4 size 300 GSM card paper. And then I have a cutting mat. There are colorful papers, and I'm going to choose the papers of my choice. And I also have a golden paper, and I have this pencil, just normal. I'm just keeping all of them handy so that I can easily use, and it will just save my time. So I also have this circular cutting tool, and then cutting knife, scissor, compass, and pencils, and ruler. So I'm just keeping it all handy with me. So I'm going to take this paper, and I'm using this as a rough paper, and let's fold it diagonally here so that I actually get a square sheet out of A4 size, right? Next step is to put the papers, whichever paper that you prefer. I'm gonna take colors of my choice. So now I'm going to reveal how the final look looks, and dan, 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 see. Yeah. So this kite is ready and I made it specially for my daughter. And she wanted really simple and she loves basic shapes that she's learning in her school. And Dia, can you please come here?
Okay.
She actually said she wants to make something this with me. So say hello, Dia.
Hello guys.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
I am going to make the string of this.
Okay, let's do it now. So this, we have the strings over here. Can you show this, Dia? We have the strings and we're gonna paste it on the back side of it. Okay, let's put a glue first. I just go from back side, and can you paste it here now?
From back side.
Yeah. And here as well. Cool. Now, so you can see it, the strings are ready. Now Dia also wanted to add this string,
Golden
and when we put some glue on the back side and then put the string, and
I think we need more string there.
more strings.
And then we need to cut here.
Oh, you're gonna cut also. Okay, let's do that. So we added the string. You take the scissor and help me to cut. Can you cut it? Good. Cool, nice. Okay. So this is our kite and she's gonna play with it for sure. I don't think we're going to place it on the wall for now. She's gonna play for some time. Okay, Dia, this is for you. You can play as much as you want.
Thank you, Mama. And bye.
And happy Makar Sankranti.
And happy birthday, Sankranti.
Okay, so cute.